Stop scrolling. If your cable box is not working with your Samsung Smart TV, this video will fix it in minutes. No guessing. Only real, tested solutions. I am a technician, and this problem usually happens because of input settings, HDMI handshake issues, or power-related errors. Let us start step by step. First, check the HDMI connection. Turn off the TV and the cable box completely. Unplug both devices from power. Wait for 60 seconds. Now connect the HDMI cable firmly to the cable box and to the TV. Avoid loose connections. If possible, use HDMI port 1 or HDMI port 2 only. Now turn on the TV first, then turn on the cable box. This order is very important for HDMI signal detection. Next step, select the correct input. Using your Samsung remote, press the source button. Go to source, then select the HDMI port where the cable box is connected. If you see no signal, do not panic. Now we reset the HDMI handshake. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to External Device Manager. Turn off AnyNet Plus. AnyNet Plus means HDMI CEC control. Restart the TV. After restart, turn AnyNet Plus back on. If the screen is black or flickering, change HDMI mode. Go to Settings, then go to General, then External Device Manager, then Input Signal Plus. Turn Input Signal Plus off for the connected HDMI port. Restart the TV. Next, check the cable box resolution. Many cable boxes fail when resolution does not match the TV. Using the cable box remote, set resolution to 1080i or 720p. Avoid auto mode temporarily. Now power reset the cable box. Unplug the cable box from power. Wait for 2 minutes. Plug it back in. Allow full boot. If audio works but no picture, try another HDMI cable. Cheap or old cables cause signal drop. Use a high-speed HDMI cable. If nothing works, update the TV software. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then Software Update, then Update Now. Do not turn off power during update. Final step. Factory reset only if required. Go to Settings, then go to General, then Reset. Enter pin 0, 0, 0, 0. This solves 90% of cable box issues on Samsung Smart TV. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe. This is Tech Vibes.